All right, bag C. Now I did already bust this open and pre-built the shocks off camera. They are just friction dampers. Oh my goodness. Or friction shocks, whatever you want to call them. I'm actually thinking I might switch these out because I do not like how they flex. They're very bendy. So I might see what other shock options I might come across. Maybe some mini E-Revo shocks. I don't know. They might be a little too small. But for now, they're going to go in the truck. All right. Suspension is in. Doesn't have a lot of flex. But there we go. It has shocks. Yes, it's time to build some tracks. Now, just because I know this is going to come up, what track are we going to use? This actually comes with 3 options. There's the flat tracks, which you see here. And then we got the what they call the grouse track, which is like a more aggressive, grippier one. And then there's a softer surface version of the grouse track. And all the difference is how many links you put in between. I'm going with the softer one because chances are this thing's going to be ran in snow, possibly even mud. So that's the one we're going with. Now, holding all these tracks together is all these little pins. This is the part that's going to kill my fingers. And hopefully I will still have some when we're done. Fingers, that is. Not pins. Fingers. A lot of cutting out all these tiny little ash trees. The joy of cutting all these stupid things out. Thanks, Tamiya. Yay. Just got this monster pile to cut. Gonna just put it in the bag. And I can put it together. No. Don't forget, you also get the joy of trimming the burrs off all these things too. So we take our first piece, and what I do is I start the pin in one side, like so, and then you just simply, I say that as I struggle, slide them in like that. Now, right here, they say to lock it into place. Now, what I've been doing is I've been taking one of my drivers, and I just been pushing down on the head till you hear a click, and then that locks it right in like so. There we go. Got it all put together. Now I just gotta go through and push all these pins in. Not sure if I mentioned, but this is probably the most tedious part of this whole build. Now you do get a lot of extra track links, which is kind of nice. I don't know how durable these things are, but I'm gonna stick them back in the bag, and if we blow a track, then we have some pieces. Now there's a few extra pins, and yeah. Okay, putting them on isn't too bad. Now you guys can't really see the sprocket because of the shield that's been put on, but it literally just drops in like so, And then you loop it around the wheels and bring the two ends together. Now you do have to pull it a little bit, and this is where it is a little tricky. You can pull them together and you drop a pin in. Now, before continuing on with this build, I do want to address one thing. All brands out there make mistakes somewhere along the lines, and usually appears in the instruction manuals, you know, typos, misprints, whatever, okay? Tamiya lovers, just plug your ears for a minute, and I'm not one to bash brands. I mean, drive what you like, you know. You like certain brands, it's good for you. Don't like other brands, that's fine too. I like to be open-minded when I choosing my kits, my trucks. But this one really pissed me off, for lack of better words. Now, when I was building the wheels for the tracks, if you noticed, it does say put Loctite on the screws to hold those wheels in. Okay, and I don't know if this is actual red Loctite or not, or if that's like I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's stronger than blue Loctite for one reason, and I'll get to that in a minute. Now, if it is actual red Loctite, I'm very hesitant on using red Loctite on any RC stuff. For whatever reason, I decided to do it. One, the instructions are saying it, and two, the roller wheels, they're gonna take a beating going down the trail. So, okay. Hesitantly, is that a word? I think that's a word. I did it. Okay, sure. Instructions told me to do so. And then it comes to putting these guards, the little shields on. Now, these things are supposed to go like so. Okay, they go here. And I'm assuming it helps protect the wheels and keep the tracks and going in the right place. That's my assumption. Now, you're probably wondering, well, why is this thing not on the truck when, you know? Here comes the piss off part. So, like I said, they told you to Loctite it, okay? Loctite it all on. Sorry, wrong side. Loctite the screws in for these wheels. And it's on everything. Everywhere, okay? If you don't believe me, go out and download this manual. Now, 3 or 4 pages later, I think it's 4 pages. Don't quote me to that part, but where you go to install those little shields, these guys, it tells you to take those screws out that you just Loctited in. Yours truly snapped the screw trying to get that out. Why, Tamiya? If you knew you had to take those screws out to put on that little shield thing, guard, whatever they call it, I don't even care right now. Why would you tell me to Loctite those screws in? Or thread lock them in, whatever you want to call it. Again, all brands make their mistakes. And, you know, I've built lots of kits in the past, and for whatever reason, they chose to do that. I don't know. But anyways, lesson learned. Guys, I don't want to rant. This is not a ranting video. So, whatever. It still works. I'm just not going to put these things on. So if you question why these are missing from my tracks, that is why. So that's my little rant. That is over and done with. Whatever. The truck is coming together. We are almost finished. I did mount the body posts in off camera. Nothing thrilling there. we are going to be putting these bumpers in. They call them bumpers. We'll put those in there, and then we have the clear shield to go on here, and that pretty much wraps this truck up. I did sticker or decal, wherever you're from, the body up, and we'll show that in a little bit. And let's finish this bad boy. Wrap up this build. One, spin it around to the other side, and we'll stick number 2 on there. Okay, here we go. This is the clear piece I was telling you about. It's got these fender guards on the front. Fender guards? We'll say that. Sounds good. And then it's held in with these screws here. Covers up, does a pretty good job at keeping the insides protected. It is held on with Velcro. It's kind of nice. Don't have to worry about body clips or anything like that. And let's see the body. There we go. I am going to trim these body posts down once I confirm that there's going to be no body rub there. And it came out pretty good. I can't lie. So we will get a running video up soon. And yeah, this is the StevoD Memorial Build-Off by PhilthyCo, and also my son's 9th birthday present, which he already knows about now. As of this recording, this truck's been done for some time now. Anyways, guys, hope you like the build. We will get it out. It's going to go out this weekend, probably to Dirt Church, hang out with the rest of the trucks. We'll see how she does. And that is all. So, smash the like button, subscribe if you want. If not, it's not the end of the world to me. And as always, happy trails.